Let's be real. Learning DevOps as a beginner can be like drinking from a fire hose. I mean, it can be overwhelming for beginners, coming from non-tech background and even those coming from a tech background. I can totally relate how, overwhelming it could be. You have just so many tools to learn, different concepts to grasp, and your advice to build project upon project in order to master your craft. Honestly, I care, and that is why I'm here bringing you some useful and expensive tips to help guide you better in your learning journey. All you have to do is to like this video. It's just a way to encourage me, okay? And I'm gonna be there in the comment section to address your concern and also comment to say thank you. You may not just have a question, but to say thank you. Let's get started. DevOps is like the power behind today's software magic. It mixes tools, automation, and collaboration to make the software delivery process run smoothly and bring it to life. So, if you are passionate about tech and you want to have or want to navigate the DevOps landscape smoothly, this video is for you because I'm going to be sharing tips and tricks to help you in your learning journey and best way you can learn this in order to get it right. And this is to help you get rid of those confusions, doubts, and some roadblocks that may be an obstacle to your learning journey. So stick around as we explore the best ways to learn DevOps this year. So the first thing you should do as a DevOps enthusiast is to set goals for yourself. Setting goals for yourself can help you to track your progress and help to keep yourself motivated. Alright, so the importance of setting a goal cannot be overemphasized because it is so important. Setting a goal will help you kind of have a roadmap that you should follow and set a plan for yourself. You should know the tools you should be learning this week. You should know the one you'll be learning next week. You should have a time you should start doing a project. Alright. So setting a goal for yourself can really help you to track your progress, to help you see what you're doing, what you are to do, alright, and help you keep yourself motivated. Because if you don't really have like a map and plans you follow in this learning journey, you'll be confused. All right, so for you to better organize and stay in track for your learning journey, please set a goal for yourself. If you want to learn Docker this week, all right, start learning Docker and learn it. If the timing you set for yourself is 1 hour every day, stick to it. All right, be consistent with that 1 hour. So 1 hour every day, learn Docker for 1 week. All right, if you want to learn it for 2 weeks, that is fine, but you should have a goal that you follow. That goal should have the plans you've set out to achieve those goals. All right, okay, so this is number one. And number two, let's see what it contains. Please avoid trying to learn multiple DevOps tools concurrently. This can be confusing and overwhelming, trust me. I've been there, alright. So let me share a little bit of my experience. So when I started learning DevOps, I will learn Git today and tomorrow I will learn Terraform. Next tomorrow I will learn Docker. Within the first month was like a disaster because I didn't really know what I was doing. All right, I had to run to my mentor to guide me properly. I'm still gonna talk about the importance of having a mentor. We'll get there, all right? But please avoid learning multiple tools at the same time. Try to learn them one after the other. When you're comfortable learning, say Terraform, then move to Ansible. When you're done learning Ansible, then move to Kubernetes, something like that, okay? So you don't end up confusing yourself and being overwhelmed. Don't solely rely on theoretical knowledge, please. Instead, focus on building projects and gaining hands-on experience. I believe this is a better way to learn, all right? Because you're going to be working as a DevOps engineer soon when you've gotten a job, right? So in real world scenario, yes, your theoretical knowledge can help you, but then what you've done with your hands can help you to it can sustain you in the job. It can keep you going, because believe you me, during interviews as well, they want to know what you've done, interested in knowing what you've done so far. All right, so please seek for project, like look for project you can do. See number 4. Challenge yourself to build a project for each tool you learn to gain practical experience and see how things are done in real life. This is very, very important. So let's say you've learned Docker this week, right? Try to build a project around Docker. For instance, how to Dockerize a Node.js application, how to Dockerize a Java application. Okay, so this can help you because this is what you're gonna be doing when you are on the job. So try to build a project around each tool you learn to see how things are done in real life. Okay, so let's see number 5. Ensure that you have the necessary hands-on before trying any certification exams. This is very important, please. Avoid obtaining certifications just for the sake of boosting your profile without having any practical experience. This can just do you no good, right? Because I see a lot of people trying to gain certifications in this. Imagine writing AWS Solutions Architect Associate, and then you don't even know how to spin up an instance. You don't know how you can create a load balancer. You don't even know how to. So all these things can really, it will not really help to build you up, right? So for any certification you try to write, ensure you have a project around it, build a project around it, or try to gain hands-on experience. So that can actually help you to pass that exam better, okay? So don't try to just cram everything on your head and just go and write. It's just like garbaging in and garbaging out the knowledge without hands-on experience. Number 6. Having a mentor can be beneficial in helping you understand the complex concepts and providing you guidance along the way. I thank God I have a mentor. In fact, I began my DevOps journey with a mentor, alright? He helps to guide me, he helps to show me what to learn, he helps to, kind of give me advice and as well motivate me, because this journey, believe you me, it needs someone that can help to also motivate you, because at a point you might feel like I hope I'm doing the right thing. Like, I hope I can still continue in this journey. It can be overwhelming sometimes, all right? So you need a mentor for yourself. And how can you get a mentor? Maybe this can be a topic for another day, right? Because yeah, I met my mentor on LinkedIn, all right? So maybe we can talk about this later. But please, your takeaway from this number 6 should be that you need to have a mentor. Let's see number 7. Consistently practicing what you've learned helps you to reinforce the knowledge and make it a natural part of your skill set. Consistently practice, okay? Make it a habit every day. It doesn't matter how many minutes, it doesn't matter how many hours, even if it's just for an hour or 30 minutes every day. Ensure you remain consistent in your journey. All right, that is why I first mentioned you having a goal and having the plans you've set to achieve those goals. Please consistently practice, all right, so you can stay on track and make it a natural part of your skill set. All right, the last one and not the least is to join a community of cloud and DevOps engineers. Okay, so if you really want to be in this DevOps and cloud journey, please try to join the community. We have a lot of communities out there. We have community on WhatsApp, on Slack channels and all that. If you don't know the community to belong to, reach out to a DevOps engineer and ask, please, do you have a community you belong to, and what does it take for me to belong to those community? I have a lot of communities I belong to, right? So you need that for yourself, because belonging to a community can help you learn and ask questions questions. You can easily collaborate with other DevOps engineers or cloud engineers. Okay, you can ask questions wherever you're having confusion. You can ask questions there, because the truth of the matter is that everybody needs help. We are there for each other. So this is why you need a community to belong to. So in that community, you will see people that are like you. You see beginners, you will see middle level engineers. There are also some community you see senior DevOps engineers trying to support the juniors. All right, so you really need a community in your life. All right, so here comes the end of this video, and I really wish you success in your learning journey. Don't hesitate to reach out to someone when you have a question, when you have confusion. Reach out to your mentor, and I wish you success in your learning journey.